Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Matthey says security of supply is concerning for platinum end users. The new 2014 emission legislation is set to boost platinum demand, and the Chinese will invest 600 million rand to resuscitate the liquidated Orkney gold mine. Security of platinum supply is concerning platinum end users, with Matthey GM Research Peter Duncan saying the lack of capital investment even in the replacement of platinum production capacity in the last few years was making it difficult for South Africa to grow its supply at a time of promising demand prospects.
I would say that there is some concern amongst particularly the automotive industry, OEMs, that about security of supply in the long term. I mean, when you invent when you design a new catalyst for a certain phase of legislation, it costs a lot of money to actually implement that catalyst change. It's not an industry that can change quickly in terms of its design of catalysts or its use of catalysts, certainly not. And they do stress a little bit about the potential security of supply.
Matthey GM for Marketing Jeremy Coombs says new upcoming vehicle emission standards in Europe and China are poised to boost demand for platinum.
The new regulations in Euro 6 tighten the NOx limits for diesel vehicles very much, and it's going to force the application of new catalysts on diesel cars. Some of these catalysts will be base metal catalysts, but a large proportion of them will be platinum and rhodium based catalysts to control the NOx output. And this is going to certainly make a big difference to platinum demand in 2014.
Chinese investors have agreed to a capital injection of 600 million rand into the dormant Orkney gold mine, bought out following the liquidation of the former JSE-listed Pamodzi Gold.
In March, we estimated 400 million because a lot of studies were not done and were not also operational at the mine. Therefore, it was more of a guess figure. But since then, we've assembled the team of the engineers, the mine managers, and they've put together a budget. Then it actually increased from 400 to 600.
So you're now going to invest 600 million?
We had a meeting last week in Shanghai where we have approved this budget as presented to us by our mining team.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.